The general director of Russia's Yantar shipyard has said that Russian technical experts are expected to reach India by the end of 2019 to help the Indian side kickstart a part of the 14,700 crore rupees project to build 2 advanced stealth frigates at Goa shipyard. India had signed the 6,500 crore rupees deal with the Russian shipyard for 2 frigates, and a second contract of 8,200 crore rupees with the Goa Shipyard Limited for 2 more frigates. As many as 22 indigenous systems have to be installed on the ships, that include navigation systems, advanced sensors and BrahMos system. The gas turbine engines that are to be fitted on the ships will be supplied by India before the end of 2019. Russia has started the work to build 2 frigates in April 2019 and will deliver them to the Indian Navy by 2022, and India is likely to make the advanced payment this month to start the full-scale work on the stealth frigates. The president of Russia's United Shipbuilding Corporation has said that the Indian Navy deserves better than the French-made Scorpene submarine, which is currently being inducted by the Indian Navy. Russia has offered its new Lada Class submarines as the prototype for the design and construction of the new submarines, which is a 4+ generation submarine with a unique set of communication and defense systems, while the stealth communication and the capability of the Scorpene submarines are far much inferior. Russia is pitching for a joint design and production under a government-to-government agreement with transfer of technology, and Russia will choose its strategic partner between Larsen & Toubro and Hindustan Shipyard. According to top officials, the next generation Akash surface-to-air system will have much better single-shot probability than the existing 88% probability of the Akash systems in the Indian Air Force. The addition of new seeker in the Akash-1S have increased its probability, which will be further improved in the next generation variant to over 90%. DRDO is in the process of developing a local booster motor for the Indo-Israeli medium-range system, which will increase its range from the existing 70 km to 100 km. DRDO is also developing a 30 km range quick-reaction mobile air defense system, which will have the ability to move with the strike corps of the Indian Army, to provide crucial air defense against fighter jets, cruise systems and combat helicopters. The manufacturer of the S-400 system has said that the company is working at full steam and is geared up for a high rate of manufacturing to meet the emerging requirements, and is confident of delivering the systems to India on time. The payments have been delayed due to financial sanction imposed by the US on entities dealing with Russian companies, and the production was planned to start by the end of 2018. The company has said that the payments issue has now been resolved, and the first payment is expected to be received shortly, which will kickstart the production process. In a first-of-its-kind initiative under the Make in India program, 2 government-run defense manufacturers have opened their test ranges for use by private companies to test their equipment, including rifle and air defense systems. The Ordnance Factory Trichy and the Rifle Factory Asapur have opened their large test ranges for the private sector, adding more power to the government's initiative to expand defense industrial production through private participation. Britain's £3.1 billion HMS Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier had to terminate its trials and have returned to its base as a precautionary measure. An investigation is currently underway, but reports indicate that the aircraft carrier developed a leak after a high-pressure seawater pipe ruptured, letting in more than 200 tons of water in a compartment, which caused some internal damage to the ship. The UK had recently offered the HMS Queen Elizabeth design to the Indian Navy for its upcoming 65,000-ton conventionally powered aircraft carrier.